Good morning. Today I will be talking about a new profession which is emerging and likely to start its journey in 2023. This is the profession of social auditor. Last 10 years in India we have seen emergence of new professions in the field of commerce, insolvency professional, forensic auditor. Then we have seen the emergence of registered valuer. This time, this social auditor profession has been spearheaded by SEBI, and SEBI has already amended its regulations on 22nd July 2022. What is going to happen in this social auditor, the new profession which is emerging in 2023? See, in this profession, the social auditors initially are expected to audit the social impact report. Social impact report will be required by the not-for-profit organizations which will either register or list on social stock exchange. Means, just understand that this journey is starting with the simple thing that social audit report, social impact report is to be audited by the social auditor. That means a statutory auditor will not be eligible to audit this particular report, which is required to be done by every not-for-profit organization which will either list or register on social stock exchange. Now, how you can become the social auditor? SEBI regulation says that the profession of social auditor will be regulated by self-regulatory organization. Initially, SEBI empowered Institute of Chartered Accountants of India to create the self-regulatory organization. Later on, Institute of Company Secretaries of India has also been empowered, and both the institutes have already created separately the Section 8 companies. Institute of Chartered Accountants Section 8 companies way ahead, and temporary empanelment of the social auditor on the basis of 3 years experience is already ongoing, and you can list yourself as a social auditor over there. When we talk about the experience, you might be wondering that if career is starting anew, where from the experience will come? See, India has seen MG Narega, India has seen lot of social activities by government or by other institutions. The experience can happen from there. Even from environment audit, the experience can happen. Even the experience can happen from ESG audits. So just identify, just see whether you have done any assignment, and if you have done any assignment, you are eligible for temporary empanelment. Exam for social auditor will be conducted, and this is the expectation that examination will start in 2023, and most likely the examination will be in multiple choice question format. Exam is to be conducted by NISM as per the SEBI regulation. This is all for today. Stay connected with us. We will be talking more about SSC listing simplified. Thank you very much.